red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and dark blue color. Kids, now we draw alphabets and use red color. Red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. It's now you draw F. The alphabets of F and use yellow color. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J. The alphabets of J and use sky blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O. The alphabets of O and use black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. It's now you draw T. The alphabets of T and use green color. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. It's now you draw X. The alphabets of X and use dark blue color. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and first you draw 1 and use red color. 1 2 3 4 5. It's now you draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. 6 7 8 9 and 10. Red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and dark blue color. It's now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. It's now you draw E and use yellow color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. It's now you draw H, the alphabets of H, and use sky blue color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for king. It's now you draw L, the alphabets of L, and use black color. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O, the alphabets of O, and use green color. Green color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S, the alphabets of S, and use dark blue color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use red color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Dark green color, light pink color, brown color, red color, light purple color, yellow color, black color, sky blue color, dark purple color, dark pink color, and orange color. Kids, now you draw one and use orange color. 1, 2. Kids, now you draw 3 and use dark green color. 3, 4. Kids, now you draw 5 and use light pink color. 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7 and use brown color. 7, 8. Kids, now you draw 9 and use red color. 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use light purple color. 11, 12. Kids, now you draw 13 and use dark blue color. 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15 and use black color. 15, 16. Kids, now you draw 17 and use purple color. 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use dark pink color. 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.